Hey guys, welcome again. I'm going to try and show you a guide this time how to set up the bot that I recommend for using our strategy with to automate your trading. Those that are new here, check out our website minty.ltd. You can start your free trial of our strategy. Yeah, find out more. I won't bore you with the details. So first of all, you'll need to go to our guide that's on the website. So resources, blog, guides. Just give that a click and it should open up the, so you want to click on the middle article, how to automate your TradingView alerts with a trading bot. This is a written guide you can follow if you want. I thought I'd make this video as well though to show you how I do it. So you're going to need to create a free account on Wunderbit. Click that link on the guide, or it's down below in the description under this video. Here's a referral link. You get 10% off, I get 10% commission, or something like that. I can't remember now. It benefits us both either way. So yeah, just do it. So once you've created your account, you need to go to your dashboard. You're going to need to now link your exchange to Wunderbit. So if you click on connect to exchange, for this I'm going to use Binance. You can call it whatever you want. Make something up. Just surprise yourself. API key and secret we're going to get from Binance as well. I'm going to make a brand new one and then delete it after if anyone tries to nick it. So yeah, go to your account, API management, label it whatever you want. Call it Wunderbit spot, because if you're going to be doing spot trading, you will get a code sent to your phone and email as well. Just got to wait for that to come through. Bear with me, enjoy the music. Once you've got that, just click submit and do not leave this page, whatever you do, otherwise you will lose your secret key. So what you're going to need to do is enable spot trading. So if you click on edit restrictions, just tick that box. That's all you need to do. Don't worry about ticking anything else. And if anyone ever asks you to enable withdrawals, do not listen to them because they can drain your account. Something we definitely don't do here. So once you've ticked that, just click save. You do get a warning now that because it's using a unrestricted IP access, it will expire after 90 days. So it's just a case of coming back in and clicking and reactivating your API. It's not the end of the world. We could restrict access, but we don't know what Wunderbit's IPs are, and they probably change them quite often. So we'll just go ahead with this. So click on OK. Again, you'll need to verify it, so we'll just have to wait till we get the code. Bear with me 2 seconds. And there we go. So we're going to want to copy your API key and secret key into Wunderbit now. So if you copy, paste into the relevant fields. You can favorite the exchange if you like, up to you, and then just click add. So if it takes you to this page, that means it's done. I wish they showed you a success message, but they don't. So what you're going to do is just make sure it's in your My Exchanges tab. It's active, it's got a little green tick, all good to go. Obviously I've got an error because I've got my funds in this account, which I do not want to have because it's a completely different account to what I use, but that's not, anyway. Click on bots on the left and we'll create your first bot. So once you click add new, you can call the bot whatever you like. Same for the description. Exchange will be Binance and your API will already be selected, so don't worry about that. For the time frame and everything else, we'll come back to that because we need to set up your strategy in TradingView. So if you whack open your chart and coin that you want to use, here's one I made earlier using Matic, USDT on the 5-minute charts on Binance. I found some pretty good settings, got some consistent gains, trades quite a lot. You at least have a few trades a day on this, which is what I like to see. Decent profit, and it's beating the buy and hold too. So you can see if I bought Matic for $100 2 months ago, I wouldn't have made that much compared to what I would have made if I was using the strategy and bot trading. So if you go into your settings, you can see the magic numbers already there. Feel free to use these settings if you want. Something I made earlier. You're going to need to head back into Wunderbit and carry on setting up the rest of your bot. So you want to change the time frame to 5 minutes because it's running on the 5-minute chart. And select Matic/USDT from the drop down. Order type, leave at market. Trading amount, this is entirely up to you. So if you're going to be running one bot and you don't do any of the trading, do it to 100%. I'd personally recommend doing it on a fixed amount. So I usually divide my balance that I want to invest by 5 if I have 5 bots running, and then do that for the fixed amount for each bot. Make sure to keep some BNB in your accounts too to pay your trading fees. It's like 25% cheaper. Take profit 1 you're going to need. This is the take profit from the strategy. So you want to sell 100% of the Matic when you sell, if it does hit the take profit. So my take profit is 2%. So I want to go back into Wunderbit and set my target as 2%. Don't worry about 2 and 3. We're going to need to put our stop loss in there. This is required. And don't worry about trading stop or DCA either, and then just click create. And there you go, there's your bot. It is now ready to start receiving signals from the TradingView alerts, which will then make trades automatically for you in Binance via the API. So with these parts are very important. If you go back into the bot, these are what we're going to put into the alert messages to tell it what to do when a certain alert happens. So let's start with enter long. So if you copy that, that's basically buy, and go into your strategy settings on TradingView, paste it in the relevant fields. So you want to put it in the buy message and the open long message. For exit long, you want to put that into the sell message and close long message. And you don't have to do this bit, I just do because OCD. You can add the open and close short messages as well, and then just click OK. So now that's ready to start sending the alerts with the correct messages that Wunderbit needs to receive. You're going to have to create your own alert now. So click here. Make sure you select minty from the condition. Open-ended means the alerts will watch the chart forever. They won't ever expire. Highly recommend. Webhook URL, you need to pop in what it says on Wunderbit. So that'll just be a case of copy and pasting it over again. That basically tells TradingView where to send the message to. You don't need to worry about alert name. All you need to do now is add the variable in, which is strategy.order.alert_message. This will be replaced by the messages that you copy and pasted into the open, close, buy, sell fields in the strategy settings. And once you've done that, just click create. And you'll then see your alert appear on the right side. There it is, and shown as active. So now whenever a buy happens, a buy label triggers, it will send an alert to your bot on Wunderbit, which will then buy No, we don't want that. It'll buy the coin for you, and then when the opposite happens, the sell label hits on the TradingView alert. It'll send a message to Wunderbit to close the trade, and that's basically it. Any questions, come and ask in Discord. I'm happy to jump on screen share and show people how to do things if you get stuck. Yeah, cheers guys, thank you.